Right, imagine this, a whole world being realistic. What would that be like? Would we be able to fly into space if people were being realistic? Probably not. Would we be able to fly across whole continents and go to different countries, see the beautiful wildlife and different cultures? Would we be able to go in that metal bird, that huge metal tube in the air, flying across continents and countries, if we were being realistic? No. Now, Roger Bannister, he was an unrealistic man. He ran the 4-minute miles in under 4 minutes and smashed through people's beliefs. Because back then, people didn't believe that you could actually run the 4-minute mile in under 4 minutes. They thought it was humanly impossible. They saw it as unrealistic to run that. But Roger Bannister did it. He did it. He accomplished his dreams and ambitions and changed people's lives forever. Today we're still talking about him, and that was back in 1954 that he accomplished it. Now thousands and thousands of more people have finished and completed the 4-minute mile in under 4 minutes. Roger Bannister proved that it was possible. So why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because your dreams as a child when you were 12 or 16, your dreams to become a firefighter or become an Olympic athlete or whatever it is you wanted to do. I'm saying don't give up on your dreams. Keep going towards them, because being unrealistic is what makes people amazing, what makes people awesome, because they inspire other people to do things that they want to do. So do it. Be an unrealistic person. Go towards your dreams. Forget the naysayers, forget what they say, forget them telling you that it's unrealistic and that you can't accomplish it. Because everything is unrealistic until you accomplish it.